Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer profile on your Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything. And if you have any problem or any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app and then log in with your account, and then choose the profile you use to visit every day. And now you'll be over here like this. And from here, where you need to go is all the way to your top right corner. You'll be finding this three dot option. Just go over here and then go to settings, and from here you'll be going to account details. And now you'll be in a web browser like this with netflix.com/account section. Now from here on your left you will be having options like this. Just go with the profile one and go with your profile, and then go all the way down. You'll be having option which says profile transfer. Just go with it, and then once you press start profile transfer, this profile will start transferring. You can change or you can use different profile as well. Transfer a different profile option is also over here. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, so thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys, thank you for watching.